Hi guys, the rear left wheel of my car made some knocking sound that were heard in the car when driving. The faster the auto speed was, the knocking was faster. They removed the wheel, checked the wheel bolts, then removed the brake disc, checked the handbrake. Everything was in order. The problem was taken next. The subframe bushing were broken, and that was the knocks. To replace them, you need a new set of silent block. But there is another option, cheaper and more effective. Here we decide to strengthen our subframe with the help of the spander. Remove the beam mounting bolts and substitute the spander. Further tighten the bolt, and that's all.
Yavaş hareket bırak yavaş. Yavaş bırak. Ha, bırak. Yavaş bırak hadi oğlum. Yavaş bırak. Bas. Yavaş. Bas. İleride. Yavaş ol ha. İleride. Gel. Bir tane de boktan benzin böyle. Biraz daha. İleride. Gel boktan benzin böyle. Benzin araba. Bagajda.
Buyur.
Hasan Mavir. Şotkan getiriyor. Getiriyor. Kaldır maşını. Gözü. Ben bir tane reisim haberim yok. Yavaş. Yavaş ol. Yendi. Yavaş. Yendi. Yaxşı. Kaldır maşını.
That's all guys. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to put like.